Okay, let's look at the mini golf course on the Carnival Radiance. It is located on an upper deck. As we know by now, the Carnival Radiance has lots of double decks for lots of its things. This is located round the red thing that sticks up on Carnival ships that looks kind of like a animal head. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, it's right across from the ropes course. It is 9 holes, and the balls and the clubs are included. There are different size clubs for different people, and surrounding the golf course is usually some sort of netting so that the balls don't go flying. You still do need to be careful, and remember that this is a moving vessel, so mini golf is not going to be as easy as it is when you are stationary. But there is seating on this deck, so you can sit and watch your kids play if you don't want to play. I believe there's an elevator up to this deck as well, and it was not easy to find, but that was it. We just saw it there on the right side. So yeah, this is the whole mini golf course, 9 holes, all located in this little square. It does get busy at times, especially on sea days, but it is a lot of fun and something that you can do that is included in the price of the cruise. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Also, I will link some other videos up in the corner here, a video of the kids clubs and also the ropes course. And once it comes out next week, we will have a full ship tour of the Radiance, which I will also link on this video at the end. I also wanted to give a huge shout out to our audience. Thank you so much for watching these videos and supporting us in the things that we're trying to do. Watching, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing all help us immensely so that we can continue making videos like this. So if you like this video, like it. If you feel like subscribing, subscribe. No pressure at all. We love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.